Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nibble bowl. Today I'm going to share with you healthy vegetable salad recipe. For the recipe I'm adding 1/4 cup of cucumber. It's really low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. Then adding half cup of carrots. It's full of vitamins, minerals and fibers. It's really good for your healthy diet. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of green capsicum. Then the same quantity of red capsicum. The green capsicum helps the heart healthy and lowers the risk of cancer, and red capsicum can increase metabolic rate. Now I am adding half cup tomato. It will reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Then 1 teaspoon of olive oil. It contains large amount of antioxidants. Then pinch of salt and pepper powder. Pepper powder helps to detoxify your body and cleanses your intestines and stomach. Then I am adding some coriander leaves. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice helps to improve digestion, and lemons are a great source of vitamin C. So mix it all together. Our healthy vegetable salad is ready to serve. If you like this video, do like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon for getting more healthy and yummy videos. Keep watching.